Two people gonna be mad at me. Papa and his mama. The rainbows came in handy, even though that's about your third pair. Oh, your Papa keep leaving your truck out here in the rain. Rain bad last night. Sakani. Come on. Full of water. Your Papa got to get life right, don't he? Mosquito bit you already, man? Yeah, these some mosquitoes back here, baby. These some jungle mosquitoes in this backyard. What time is it? I know. I hope I live to see him a grown man so we can sit down and watch these videos. Ooh, so he can laugh. They say, Grandma, why you do that? That's so embarrassing. Oh, you wet. I'm just mad at me. Yeah, what? Yeah, them boots ain't no joke, baby. Them ain't the kind with the grips, them slip and slides. But if not, he will always have memories. Thanks to his Gigi for videoing everything he do, whether it's funny or just a little moment like this of him enjoying the backyard and enjoying his toys. His memories will surpass me. All right, Connie, man, Gigi, we're going to the house. I'm gonna get you some off. Cause these dig the broods of mosquitoes out here. Feel like I'm in the jungle. Anything with water, he wanna play in. Just the water, baby. And he ain't even Aquarius.